Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Vital Proteins Collagen Peptides. It's incredibly simple to incorporate into your daily routine. Just take 1 or 2 scoops of the unflavored powder and add it to your favorite hot or cold beverage or food. Stir it well until it's fully dissolved. This makes it easy to get your daily dose of collagen without any hassle, supporting your wellness journey effortlessly. One of the most popular ways to use collagen peptides is by mixing them into your drinks. Whether it's your morning coffee, a soothing cup of tea, a refreshing smoothie, or just plain water, the unflavored powder blends seamlessly. It won't change the taste, making it a perfect addition. For cold beverages, a good stir and a moment to sit ensures complete dissolution. Beyond beverages, collagen peptides are also fantastic for enhancing your meals. You can easily stir them into your breakfast oatmeal, a bowl of yogurt, or even a warm soup for an extra protein boost. For those who love to bake, try incorporating it into muffins, pancakes, or homemade energy bites. It's a versatile ingredient that won't alter the texture of your dishes. To truly experience the wonderful benefits of collagen peptides, consistency is absolutely key. Make it a part of your daily routine, and over time, you may notice improvements in your hair, skin, and nails, as well as enhanced joint health. Each serving typically delivers about 20 grams of high-quality collagen protein, supporting your body from the inside out for overall wellness.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.